hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I wanted to share a small incident that I observed while I was in MSRTC Shirdi bus stand. So basically I was in my bus and I was just looking outside, and suddenly I noticed some passengers are pushing a bus. So you'll be seeing the clip now. So it is the MSRTC ordinary bus, red color one, and these passengers actually started pushing the bus backwards, and suddenly till the bus actually started. So it was basically a jump start, and this was something first time I was noticing, like in a bus stand, RTC bus stand, government bus stand. The bus is not starting and passengers are pushing the bus backwards so that it can kick start. So I thought I'll share this small incident with you, and let me know, have you seen any such incidents before? Now bus, if it breakdowns on the road, then jump starting like this is okay because they don't have any option. But in the bus stand itself, maybe it's going from one route to other, so now they can't repair it. But this was something first time seeing, that in a bus stand they are jump starting by pushing backwards. So anyways, do click on that like button if you thought there was something unique and you hadn't seen something like this before. Do comment below if you have seen incidents like this, or if you know of any incidents like this before, in the comment section below. Yeah, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to this channel. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.